Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is a pointer and how we can use pointer in C++. So first of all, let's see what is a pointer. A pointer is a variable whose value is the address of another variable. So let me just paste the definition and then we will look what is a pointer. I will explain you. So once again, what is a pointer? A pointer is a variable whose value is the address of another variable, right? Now, for example, I think you might know that whenever you declare a variable, its value is stored in the memory somewhere, right? So whenever you declare var is equal to 0, for example, how you can show the address of the variable where this variable is stored. So you can show it by just writing this and sign before your variable, and then you will be able to see the address of the variable. So once again, let's build our program, and when I run this program, you see this hexadecimal number. This indicates the memory address where this variable is stored. Okay, so this indicates the memory address of this variable. Now the pointer, when it comes to pointer indicates, or pointer is a variable, so you declare a variable whose value is the memory address of the other variable, right? So this is the memory address. So basically when you declare a pointer, it will its value will be the memory address of other variable. And why we do it? Because whenever you assign some value to a variable, it's or and once again you assign it to some other variable, its value is not fixed. For example, whenever right now I have variable here var is equal to 0, and you can assign var is equal to 20 also, right? But whenever you assign this to this here, the address will remain the same but the value will change, right? So the pointer enables us to point the memory address, and whatever the value stored in that memory address will be indicated, or when will be pointed by the pointer, right? So let me give you an example how you can define a pointer. You can define a pointer with this asterisk or star sign, and then you can give the name of the variable. So for example, I want to declare a integer pointer, so I will write int, then this asterisk, and then I will give the name, for example, int p, for indicating int pointer. Okay, now when I assign some value to this pointer, so we always assign a value to the pointer which is the address of other variables. So what we can do is we can write int p is equal to the address of this variable, and how we achieved, or how we have accessed the address of this variable by using and sign before your variable. So just copy it and paste it here. So our pointer definition is true now, right? Pointer is a variable whose value is the address. So this shows the address of another variable, right? Now when you print this int p pointer, what will it show? It will show the address of the variable, right? This variable. So first of all, let's print it like this, and I will copy this and paste it here. And when I just compile this program and run it, you can see here the first address and second address are same, right? So what we have done is we have assigned the address of this variable to this pointer, and that's what the pointer does. It stores the address of another variable, right? Now if you want to access the value of the variable, for example you want to access the value of this variable using this pointer, so the value of this variable is 20. Let's make it 100, for example, right? And for example you want to access this value using this pointer. How you can do it? You can just write the same definition of pointer, asterisk, this asterisk, and then int p once again, right? And then when you compile your program, this asterisk and this int p pointer will show the value of this variable, or value which is stored at this address, right? So let's see, it's 100 right now. Okay, so this is showing the value of this address. Now let's try to change the value of this variable var. Let's give it a value, for example var is equal to 20. Once again var is equal to 20, and once again try to print the value of this pointer and the address of this pointer. Once again I just copied and pasted the same line from above, right? And when I compile this program and run this program, you will see here the address always remains the same. That means the pointer is accessing the value from this address, but the value stored at this address is changed when we assign some value to variable. So that means address of a variable always remains same, but you can change the value stored on this particular address. So I think this is the basics of pointer in C++. There are much and more about pointers, and you need to read it in details, but this is the basics of pointer, and I hope you have understood the concept behind pointer, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.